There is something going on over here. You can see these plants are hardly moving at all. I don't know if you can hear over there, but it sounds like hail or massive rain, and it's hardly raining here. You can hear the thunder, maybe see some lightning, but it sounds like there's like a hailstorm like just hitting one spot over there. But everywhere else it's reasonably quiet. I mean, these storms really come in the last 10-15 minutes, so I don't know, pretty exciting. I was hoping whatever it was going to come this way and I could capture it on film. If it comes this way, I'll restart it.